Can you... Hey! Shoo! Go away! Magandang buhay! Mabuting tao! Today is Sunday. At dahil maagang nagising si Kuya Cesar, siya po ay almusal na. Diba? So, almusal time. Very hot. Be careful. Can I have? Give me some.
Nakikita ko ikaw. Hawakan mo na kasi. Buhaya.
Ma?
Si Papa Jesus. Ow.
Wala naman napapanunot mo. Nakikita. Ba't nakikita mo?
Papa Jesus, ano? There.
Are you sure? Saan?
Ano?
Ay, Diyos ko po.
Gandang buhay, mabuting tao po. Kain po tayong lugaw, tapos kape. Tapos, pandesal po.
Pandesal. Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday.
Ma'am.
Ayan po ang Cesar ko. Nagigising lang. What is this? Porridge.
Lugaw.
Yes, lugaw in Tagalog. And in English, it is a porridge. You see porridge?
Yes.
Porridge.
Porridge.
So what do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? What is
Bread.
that? Bread. What kind of bread is that?
Pandesal.
Okay. So he want to eat pandesal 24/7 from Panikit Harlak. Ito po ang famous na pandesal po sa amin. Ay pandesalan. Native pandesalan at its best. Favorite pong kinakain ng aking mga anak. Favorite po namin yan. So, ayan po, ang aking Cesar ay nag-aalmusal na naman. Maaga po siyang nagising ngayon at kasi maaga po siyang natulog. You eat what?
Bread.
Oh, bread. Bread for ano? Tinapay sa
Sausawan sa kape.
sausaw sa kape.
Gatas.
Why you like bread? Why you like bread?
Is matamis.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Sure?
Yes.
Slowly, it's hot. Very hot, right?
Is ant.
Where? There's an ant. You remove. Slowly. Be careful because it's hot. Throw it there.
Yummy.
Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So why you didn't want the porridge? Why you don't want the porridge? Lugaw. So ayaw niya guys ng lugaw. Ayaw niya po ng lugaw. Kagabi kinain niya po yung lugaw na yan. Hindi niya talaga tinantanan. Matutulog na nga lang. Kumain pa rin po siya ng lugaw.
Gusto kong malangkit.
Malagkit na yun eh. So you don't want it?
Hindi siya naggagalaw.
Hindi siya naggagalaw. What is naggagalaw? Because it's and what?
Sticky.
Sticky. So this lugaw is sticky. You know, it's not sticky. See?
It's
What is?
labi. Sticky siya.
What happened? Okay. Last night. I know you ate this last night, and now you don't want it. So otherwise, I'm going to throw it. I give it to Wolfo.
Wolfo?
Yes.
Wolfo?
Later on, when Kuya he woke up, you ask Kuya first
Wolfo?
if he don't want, and then you give it to the dog. You feed it to the dog. This. I'm sure they want it. No. Don't give. You eat first.
Eat?
Yes.
That's
Never give food while you're eating, right? I told you, right? You remember? Do you remember?
Yes.
If you're eating, you eat first. Then after you finish, you done your eating. Yeah. Okay. You feed the dog. While you're eating, you're not allowed to give a food to them. Otherwise, manggugulo sila. Oh. Otherwise, they're making trouble. Cesar, I told you, right? Why you threw the bread?
Sad face.
Sad face. No, like
Look.
that, anak.
Look.
I know. See, the duck also and the two dog there already waiting. Every time we eat, they always stand in front of us like that. See? Waiting the food. Also this duck. Two girl, one boy. Oh. So today what you are going to do? Today is what?
Sunday.
Sunday day. So Sunday day is what you're going to do now after you eat?
TV.
What? Reading time?
No.
Playing time?
Yeah.
Watching time?
Yeah.
No, I don't want. Okay, I'll give you time for playing and then watching, and then after that you time to reading, right?